Zena was the first child that I actually got to spend time with and watch her grow and really, really spend every day with her, you know? So, I would walk down the street with her and she was, 3, 4 years old. She'd be pushing this little stroller with a little doll in it and she would say, oh, I'm gonna be a mommy one day. And, I'm saying to myself, wow, she's gonna be a great mom. She's going to be a great wife. And thank God that I'm here today and I can think back and go, wow, this happened just the way I envisioned it. And thank God that, she met Vinny. And I couldn't be happier. My wife couldn't be happier. Again, we're very happy that everything has worked out beautifully.
Z, I believe most people search forever and never find what I found in you. Before we met in my years searching for you, I never really felt at home. I felt at home as soon as I met you, and that feeling's never left. It felt like a bright, warm light entered my life, and it's hard to put that feeling into words, but it follows you everywhere. I vow that my gratitude for that and you will remain during our inevitable ups and downs.
Then, these past 5 years have felt like a dream that I never want to end. As I reflect back on our relationship, there are so many beautiful things that make me laugh, cry, and things that I still can't quite understand. You are humble, thoughtful, passionate, loyal, and can make me laugh so hard it hurts. I'm not quite sure how I got so lucky, but I feel like my angel above had something to do with it. My grandfather passed the same year I met Vin. I wish you guys could have met because boy, were you similar. He was my best friend and could light up any room he walked into. But I've always felt like my grandfather handpicked you for me. And today I couldn't be more sure of it. You love me at my best and even more at my worst, and I can't describe what that means to me. You're my biggest inspiration and I'm your biggest fan. You bring out the best parts of me I didn't even know I had. You challenge the toughest parts of me I may be too stubborn to admit, and reflect the parts I don't see in myself.
When times are good, I vow to never take you for granted. When times are bad, I vow to take time to reflect on how incredibly lucky I am to have found you in the first place. I vow to treasure you like the priceless gift you are to me. You deserve to be happy every day for the rest of your life. And I vow to wake up every day with that in mind. Thank you for being my wife. And thank you for being who you are every day. I love you more than anything in the world.
I vow to always strive to be a better person every day because of you and for you. I vow to be faithful, patient, kind, graceful, and always willing to listen unless I know I'm right. I vow to honor these commitments that we make to each other today, forever, and always, as we continue on our beautiful journey together. I can't wait to experience you become the most amazing father to our children, grow old and wrinkly with you, till death do us part. I'm forever yours, and I adore you more than anything in this world.